Yesterday I asked you guys whether I should go on a bulk or a cut, and it was unanimous that I should go on a bulk. So today we have a full day of what I eat on a bulk. Now I know some of you are probably thinking, what about us really skinny people who really struggle to put on weight? Well, that was me. So today I'm not just going to be sharing what I'm eating, I'm going to be sharing tips and tricks that I've used over the years that helped me go from skinny weasel to the behemoth I am today. I'll see you at breakfast. Good morning! So it is breakfast time and once again I'm having cereal. However, not all cereal is created equally. If you watch my last full day of eating, I had cereal and that was on a low calorie day, and now I'm on a bulk. So I'm going to show you that there is a big difference in certain cereals. So my last full day of eating, I had Rice Snaps. So I'm going to show you what 100 grams of Rice Snaps looks like. Okay, so that's actually only 62 grams and I can't physically get any more in the bowl. So now I'm going to show you 62 grams of another cereal. Okay, so if you can see, that is 62 grams of the crisp cereal. Compare that to the Rice Krispies. Which one do you think is going to leave you more full? So when it comes to bulking or cutting, whether you're trying to gain weight or lose weight, simple changes make a huge difference. Simply swapping these cereals is going to change the amount of calories I have for breakfast dramatically. 170 grams, which is quite a hefty bowl, but not a crazy bowl to be honest. But seeing as we're trying to bulk, just cereal alone is not going to be enough. So I'm going to add some chia seeds, which is a good form of omega-3s if you're on a plant-based diet. You can't even taste them if you sprinkle them on food, and they're pretty calorie dense as well. And finally we got the milk, and this is another simple swap. So I've switched my usual unsweetened soy milk for a regular soy milk, and it adds about 40-50 calories each time you use it, which adds up over the day. So I just entered this into my Fitness Pal and it's only 876 calories. So I thought it'd be probably good to try something I found the other day, which I think is probably the perfect bulking accompaniment. Liquid peanut butter. What a time to be alive. Right, so oh Jesus. Okay, that stuff comes out a lot faster than anticipated, so I put 36 grams on, but oof. Now it's time to give the crisp cereal a taste review, because I've never actually tried it before, though I probably shouldn't have doused it in peanut butter before I tried it. Oh my God. This, I can see me and this guy becoming best friends.
Did we just become best friends? Yep!
So that is breakfast done. I would definitely rate that crisp cereal 7.5 out of 10. It was really tasty, super easy to get down. You don't even have to add fruit because it has those little bits of fruit in there. Anyway, so that's gonna be it for now. I am pretty hungry, so I guess I'll see you guys pretty soon when I'm having something else to eat.
Petey,
Yeah?
can I have a leg?
Of course you can. As you can probably tell by that non-scripted scene you just watched, I just had to drop Loretta off in town, and I thought on the drive back, do you know what? I can't really be bothered cooking. I reviewed some cereal this morning. Let's do another review. So I stopped off at Greg's to try the new cheese and bean pasty. Now Loretta's probably going to be a bit annoyed that I went to go and get this without her, but she doesn't watch my videos, so what she doesn't know won't hurt her. I also got an emergency vegan sausage roll as well, just in case the bean and cheese thing ain't too good. And of course the donuts, which I'll probably give to Loretta to keep her sweet. I actually literally just bought these and they're already cold, so I'm just gonna... Right, here we go. Now, I don't honestly normally like pasties, but I do like trying new things. So going in with an open mind. Oh. I microwaved that for way too long. It's ridiculously hot now. Let's try the sausage roll. Too hot. Okay, I'm gonna have to give this 5 minutes and then we'll do a review.
5 minutes later.
Okay, I've waited like 10 minutes. Let's try it again. Oh, I can still see the steam coming off. It's alarmingly all right, to be honest. It's the beans.
I can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus.
Okay, so apart from burning the roof of my mouth, that was pretty decent. The sausage roll is actually way better than the bean and cheese thing. I just really love beans. Overall together, why that's a good bulking meal, that was 723 calories and I'm still actually really hungry. I'm not advocating just eating junk food because you're on a bulk, dirty bulking, but it does give you the freedom having extra calories that you can try, like a pasty, maybe there's some ice cream or something you wouldn't try normally, especially if you're someone who struggles to eat a lot of food. So it's been a few hours since I ate the Greg pasty and I feel a bit bleh. So I'm gonna have a protein shake and a banana, give my body a little bit of goodness. I'm gonna head to the gym and do some cardio. Some people are probably thinking, cardio, aren't you supposed to be bulking? Yeah, you should still do cardio. Just because you're bulking doesn't mean you wanna neglect your heart. Your heart is a muscle and doing cardio helps your heart. So just eat more calories and still do cardio. Right, I'm off to the gym. I'll see you guys when I get back. So that's the bike session done. Now I'm gonna have a quick snack. They're selling these at my gym for £1. They're out of date, but they're only £1. And this is pretty much probably the calories that I just burnt on the bike. Now they told me they're out of date, it does taste a bit like it's out of date, but I'm gonna eat it anyway, go and start making dinner. So here we have it, the highly anticipated dinner of dreams. 2 wraps. This is also where I previously burnt the roof of my mouth earlier today. So in these wraps you've got half a block of tofu, half an avocado and a tin of mixed chili beans, and it comes to like 1,000 calories. And I think it's a well-known fact that anything in a wrap is way easier to eat. Like if you put this all out in a big bowl, it'd be a lot harder to eat. I'm pretty sure that's a fact. So I mixed the tofu, avocado and chili beans all together and just blobbed it in the middle. Had a little bit extra left over, so I put that on top of the salad so I can get lots of nutrients in. However, if you really struggle to eat a lot of food, don't make a massive plate of salad. That's not a good idea. But yeah, these are super delicious and easy to eat. Really tasty, to be honest. So I'm gonna take the rest of my food into the living room because we like to chill out and enjoy each other's company while we mindlessly watch Netflix. So I'm gonna finish this wrap and the salad that I made as well, and then I'll be making pudding.
Massive. Look. And sometimes you go in and you know, you could eat that extra bit at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm about to make Loretta so happy. Got you a present.
No way. I haven't even had my dinner yet.
Well, I'm filming you could make it a bit more exciting.
That's what I'm shocked. I can't believe it. A lift and donuts. Just have your signature, please. And then just one on top.
Okay, so here we have the final meal. Of course, if you followed the channel for a while, you know that I love myself some oatmeal and I pretty much always have it at least once, maybe even twice a day. Recently I've been having it, if you chop up some apples, mix it in with some cinnamon, almost tastes like an apple crumble. And of course I've added my new best friend, my liquid peanut butter to it, just to give it that extra kick. So let's give it a little taste test. That is thick. Okay, so let's just quickly check the macros for the day. It's been 3,729 calories, 164 grams of protein, 480 grams of carbs, and 141 grams of fat. Nearly 4,000 calories, and to be honest, I know I haven't eaten this yet, I'm still really hungry, which goes to show that these low volume, high calorie meals really do make bulking easier. And if you're someone who struggles to gain weight, I highly suggest checking out these meals and just putting your food in a wrap. If we've learned anything, put your food in a wrap and don't overheat pastries, because my mouth's still pretty burnt. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time.